Okay everyone, so now we are discussing very important topic of C programming and that is string. So if I talk about the string, we must know that if I am writing anything like if I say hello, now that is the string. Now what is the difference between string and the character? The character is that I am taking a single element. Let us suppose H. So that is a character. And if I say the combination of character, that is hello. So that's why in the H only single quotes are placed and in the hello double quotes are placed. So we must know one thing that string always have the double quotes. So we can say that string is the array of character. Now we have learned so many things while we was learning the array, and there we have also learned the character array. Now there is a difference between character array and the string, and the difference is that string is having the terminator. So string terminate with null character and that is slash 0. So this thing we have already learned that every string that is going to end with the terminator slash 0, if I am taking a normal character like H, A, W, they are not going to end with the null character. Just like I am taking the example of this character H, it is not going to have the terminator. But if I have to store this hello into the character array, then for sure it will be having the null terminator that is slash 0. Now if I talk about the declaration means how we are going to declare that string. So there is a particular format for that. So now the format is char, then string name. Actually, it is same like a array which we have discussed. Totally same. There is a character array. The name of array is str name, and there we are going to provide it size. So that is totally same. Means declaring a string format is totally same as declaring the array. So if I take the example, let us suppose that char. Let us suppose name n10. So a name of 10 character can be stored. We must know one thing. 10 character means it includes slash 0 as well. So it is the size. Size means number of character. So it can store how many number of characters. Let us suppose we have taken the example as 10 character. Now 10 character means including slash 0. Including slash 0 means it can store the 9 characters. So there is one more property of the string and that property is it is unlike array. Unlike array means it is not same as the array. We do not need to print string character by character. We know that while we was learning the array at that time, let us suppose that we are having the 10 characters and we have to print that, then we have to make the loop for 10 times. But here it is not required. By simply writing percentage %s, we can print the whole string. It is not required that you are going to print all the string one by one or the character. Simply we can say that percentage %s, just like we say percentage %d for the integer values. Similarly, we are using percentage %s for the string values. Now let us suppose that I am going to declare one string. So I am saying char str is the name of string, and there we are saying 6, that means the size is 6, is equal to, in the double quotes I am saying good and semicolon. The meaning of that is the memory is going to declare, and that memory 6 blocks are present: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So string is the character array which is going to store the 6 memory locations. It should be 3, 3, 4 and 5, because these are the index values. So that is going to start from 0 to 5. And now inside that we are going to place every character. Let us suppose G, O, O, D. And at the last we know that there is a null character, that is /0. So /0 is present at the last. So that is the representation of the string. Now we are going to discuss few things, just like, is it possible in the string or not? What are the illegal declaration in the string? So now we are going to learn that. Let us suppose I am taking the first example, and the example I am opting is char str. So I am declaring a character array string. Now here I am saying 3, and that is equal to good. Now this is not possible. This is the illegal declaration. Because we can see that there are 4 characters plus 1 null character is required. That means at least the size of array should be 5, and there the size of array is 3, which is less. So that is not possible. This is the illegal declaration. I am taking one more example. Let us suppose that we are saying char str 5, then afterward we are saying str is equal to good. That is not possible. It is the illegal declaration. We cannot separate initialization and declaration. So separate initialization and declaration is not possible into string. Now to understand what I am saying, I am taking one example. Let us suppose I am taking a integer. If I say that int a, then afterward I say a is equal to 10. That is perfectly fine, because here this part is the declaration and this part is the initialization. So in terms of string, it is not possible, because you can see that if I am saying char str5, so this part is declaration and this part is initialization. If I am saying str is equal to good, that is perfectly impossible. String says that it should be in single line, just like this. If I am saying character str6 is equal to good, it should be into the single line. We cannot say, we cannot bifurcate into the different lines. I'm taking one more example to make you understand. Let us suppose that we are taking char s1. Let us suppose there is a array s1 having the 4 values is equal to ABC. Afterward, we are saying one more char S2 4. Then afterward, we are saying x2 is equal to S1. This thing is not allowed. It is not allowed because that is the same above case where we can see that there is a initialize and declaration, right? If I compare the case, you can see that the first line will work perfectly because we are saying character string 1 4 is equal to ABC. So ABC is stored into S1. Now in this line, this one is the declaration, and here we are going to initialize. Again, this is impossible because we want to say that declare a S4, declare a S2, and inside that you are going to store the S1. So that is not allowed. So this thing is not possible. In the string, we have to do some rules. We have to follow them. And without following those rules, we cannot work with the string.